Hey guys, it's Blake Holbers from MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the dock checking out Boston Whalers 13 Super Sport. So this is going to be their 2025 model here. So I'm up here in the bow now. Right now we have got the option of the cushions off of this boat, but you do have an option where you can add some cushions to have some bow seating up here, as well as some rails along the front. We'll make our way back towards the bench seat over here. Right here at the helm, you are going to have this nice storage compartment integrated under your windshield there. Got the owner's pack in there, but you're able to fit just about anything you can fit in that compartment. Good place to keep safety equipment, paperwork, stuff like that. Got this beautiful stainless steering wheel on here with your analog tachometer and your light switch right by the steering wheel there. And you'll notice down by my feet there is your anchor light. So that is just comes out and plugs in right here, sticks straight up, so you can have that out when you're using this puppy at night. You've got your 6-gallon gas tank mounted underneath the bench there. That is held in place, so that's not going anywhere no matter how fast you get going on here. And then your battery is right under the port side of the bench here. This bench is awesome the way it sits now with the non-skid and the cup holders in the middle, but it's also fully ready to have some seats added on top of here to whatever style that you like. As we move on back towards the transom, you can see we've got our bimini booted up, but this will stretch all the way forward and cover from about right behind the bench to right in front of the windshield there. So you get a good bit of shade on this 13-footer here. So we'll take a look at the transom real quick. So you can see we got this Mercury 25 on here. So it's a little motor, which makes the boat easy to move around and easy to trailer no matter what vehicle you have, but you still got plenty of power for all 13 feet of this boat here. So you're able to have some fun. And you've got a nice telescoping step ladder that's attached right to the port side of the transom here. If you guys have any questions about this Boston Whaler or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake.